Welcome back to the channel for another watch review. I've been waiting a while to get this one and was lucky enough to purchase it. It is of course the G-Shock CasiOak. I have fond memories of G-Shock. It was probably my first brand and first watch as a kid. It was black, bulky and way too big, but it felt like I had a tank on my wrist. It invoked a sense of bravery, get your hands dirty, a manly man type of watch. And that's exactly the imagery I get when I see G-Shock now. It hasn't changed a bit.
So let's take a look inside. We've got the standard cubic box that the G-Shock comes with. Nothing too special. We've got the GA2100 1A1 label on the barcode and the G-Shock logo on the top and the side as well. So nothing else to see. Let's just get into it. Open the top. We've got the manual. It's got module number 5611. So that's what we've got inside the watch. Let's put that aside for now. Don't think we'll need it for this video. And there we go. We've got the G-Shock tin. And so we've got the hexagonal tin in black. We've got the G-Shock logo on the side and on the top. And if we open that up, all right, so we've got our warranty card, which I'll put to the side as well. And let's see what we have inside. Got the phone. And finally, we've got the watch. Okay, so I haven't opened this one yet before, so I'm just as excited as you are with this. Let's take a look. There she is. There's the watch in all of its glory. It's beautiful. It's the all black version, so it's very stealthy. It's the look that I'm looking for. Wow, it is very small. So we've got the tag here, GA2100 1A1, costing 99 USD. So as you can see, the watch is made of carbon resin combination, so it allows the case to be thinner than G-Shock's usual offering, but without compromising on the strength and durability that usually comes with G-Shocks. It has 200-meter water resistance and a lug width of 16 millimeters. And all this for 99 USD. I got it from Hoden Key, who recently became a reseller of G-Shock, an official reseller. So shout out to Hoden Key. They were able to send me this one to Canada from the US, and it cost me 99 US dollars or 133 Canadian dollars before duties and taxes. So I was pretty happy with the price, knowing that it was a limited edition. Certainly not paying above retail for it. It was slightly above what you would pay from a Canadian retailer, but still happy with what I got. So as you can see, we'll take that off. We've got the little sleeve. Let's take off the tag as well. There you go. It's very light. Let's take a look from the side. It's very thin. We've got the light button. I mean, not much visibility, but it'll do the job. So the GA2100 1A1, or the CasiOak, as everyone seems to call it, is predominantly an analog watch, so you can see the sword hands in there, as well as the day indicator on the left, and then an LCD screen on the right. It all comes with the usual G-Shock functions. So we've got the day indicator, we've got timers, stopwatches, alarms, and time zones. Or, I guess, as they say in the watch world, you've got a perpetual calendar, a chronograph, a chiming alarm, and a world timer. So all fancy stuff, all for the price of $99. So I would say a great bargain. But don't get me wrong, I didn't buy this watch purely for its for the whole package. I bought this watch because it was a fashion item, or a design item, let's say. I really like the octagon shape of this watch. It obviously reminds me of the AP Royal Oak Offshore, and it's to me very functional, but also I can wear it, you know, I can go hiking in this, but at the same time I could go into the boardroom with this and it wouldn't feel out of place either. So let's take a look at a wrist shot. Put that on, first time putting it on. There you go. Look at that. Very happy with it. So just looking closer at the watch, for the buttons, it's a standard G-Shock 4-way layout. You've got the light at the top right corner. What's interesting about the light is that the light doesn't come from the bottom of the screen, as I thought G-Shocks would normally come, but it comes from the side. So if you take a look there, there's like a beam of light that shines onto the LCD screen rather than coming from behind the screen. So that's an interesting take. On the right bottom button, you've got the adjust button, which when you're in the time mode, you can toggle between the digital time and the date. There we go. And on the bottom left button, you can toggle between the different modes. So you've got the world time, you got the stopwatch, you got the timer, and you got the alarm. And then finally, top right, you've got the adjust to change the watch, to change the time on the watch. So all very simple stuff, all very generically G-Shock, but at the same time, very uniquely designed watch.
So to sum it up, the pros of this watch is that it's thin and it's light, but it still doesn't compromise on the G-Shock build. So it's still very strong, very durable, and it can, you know, withstand hits. Another pro would be that it's a non-conventional G-Shock look. It's not your bulky design, but it's a more understated and clean G-Shock look. And finally, I would say the price point of $99 US or 130 Canadian dollars is a very good deal, and I would suggest to jump on that whenever you see it in stock. My only con with this watch is that the screen, the small LCD screen, is just too too small to use, but that doesn't bother me at all. So let me know in the comments down below what else you would like to see from this channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe.